I mean, you can see it anyway. You can tell that's lighter than that, but watch when the lightning hits. You go, don't blink or you'll miss it because it's only quick.
I won't miss it because I'm getting it on camera.
Whenever you're fucking ready.
So I can hear a car. No way.
I stand fucking corrected.
Oh, I told you it was gonna fork.
I don't look fucking purple. But did you see the clouds?
Yeah.
But yeah, of course, certain animals have an affinity. It might already be past. For this, so if Luna was out in this, she would notice about 5 minutes before it started and she'd run to the back door. First thing they'll do. Have you never noticed before a storm if there's any birds chirping, they'll stop?
No.
Because all the animals hide.
I know that they hide.
They go, oh fuck.
You can smell it in the air.
I can feel it coming in the air tonight.
Oh, it's starting to rain inside the house. I might have to shut the windows.
Yeah, you might have to shut it. Because them lights are going to copy. Which is not as nice now, it's can't hear the rain as much.
No.
Ah, there you go.
Okay, that's when I get scared.
Almost on top of us. Not
It's the loud noises in the thunder that gets me.
If there's something you must fear in the storm, fear the lightning, not the thunder, because the lightning can, depending on the direction it's going, can actually do shit, but the thunder can't do fuck all, just a noise. Oh, look at the rain!
Oh no. Oh.